at Tennessee State University, the Massey Chair of Excellence, Dr. Lonnie Sharp. And of course, Dr. Sharp, let's continue our conversation that you were talking about, some of your energy experiences. Let's allow you to do that.
Be glad to do that. Just wanted to say that, first of all, when I was working on my PhD degree at the University of Illinois, I had a summer internship at Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory. And matter of fact, that was my first involvement in the energy field. Even though my PhD degree was in that area, this job was a little bit different. As you may know, the Department of Energy does a lot of energy work already. And one of the things that's required is that security is another issue that they deal with. And so I was involved in an area where we were looking at underground nuclear explosions. And I was the first one to devise a model to look at two-dimensional analysis of a underground explosion. And the key thing about this is that anytime they would do a test out in the desert, you had to go to Las Vegas and present to this panel the data and information to show that there was no leakage into the Earth's atmosphere. And so we did that, and so that was an exciting time for me. So I enjoyed it.
And a great learning experience, I would also imagine.
Yeah.
Now, go on.
So getting into the President Obama's plan, first thing I want to do, though, is sort of share with you a statement that he made about energy. And he said on March 19, 2009, and I quote, "So we have a choice to make. We can remain one of the world's leading importers of foreign oil, or we can make the investments that would allow us to become the world's leading exporter of renewable energy. We can let climate change continue to go unchecked, or we can help stop it. We can let the jobs of tomorrow be created abroad, or we can create the jobs right here in America and lay the foundation for lasting prosperity." So all of that is the foundation of the key issues that's part of his plan. And actually, if you think about it, there are 4 key components of the Obama energy plan. And I want to share those with you. And I just want to say, first of all, that as part of this plan, almost all this information is laid out on the website, the White House website. So you may want to go to that if you want specific information. But as part of the Obama energy plan, there are 4 key things that they talk about. They talk about investing in alternative and renewable energy. They want to end our addiction to what they call addiction to foreign oil, address the global climate crisis, and create millions of jobs for the folks in this country. So those are the key things. And one thing I do want to say about this plan, though, is that a lot of people get a little bit confused to some extent about what is renewable energy, what is alternative energy. And renewable, first of all, let me just say alternative. Alternative is just what it says, an alternate to something else. So when I was growing up on the farm, we used wood. And so we eventually got to the point that our alternative was coal. And so even today, we're still talking about one form of energy and alternate it with something else. So that's all